In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailchimp to Squarespace in 2025. Whether you're a small business owner looking to streamline your email marketing or an individual hoping to organize your subscriber lists more efficiently, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring a smooth connection between these two powerful platforms. To begin, you'll need to navigate to Squarespace and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard of your website. This is your central hub, where you'll find all the tools you need to manage and optimize your site. Next, look towards the lower left corner of your screen, and you'll notice a button marked Settings. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. It's important to become familiar with the Settings menu, as it houses a variety of options that can enhance your site's functionality. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll want to find and click on the option labeled Third-Party Tools. Doing so will lead you to a new set of options, specifically designed for integrating external services with your Squarespace site. Following that, click on Extensions. Here, you'll encounter a panel showcasing a wide range of third-party extensions that can be incorporated into your site to boost its capabilities. Now, focus on the search button at the top of the Extensions page. Click on this search button and type Mailchimp into the search bar. This will filter the options to display the Mailchimp extension, making it easier to locate among the various tools at your disposal. Once you see the Mailchimp, email and SMS extension appear in the list. Click on it. This extension is invaluable for syncing your Mailchimp lists with Squarespace, effectively allowing you to manage email correspondences and grow your audience directly through your site. After you've clicked on the Mailchimp extension, you'll notice a big Connect button. By clicking this, you initiate the process of linking your Mailchimp account with your Squarespace site. It's a simple action, but one that opens the door to a host of features, facilitating automated email campaigns and more. And just like that, you've successfully connected Mailchimp to your Squarespace website. This integration will undoubtedly streamline your marketing efforts and help maintain an organized subscriber base. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, don't hesitate to dive deeper into the resources available within both Squarespace's and Mailchimp's extensive help centers. Thanks for watching, and happy email marketing.